Welcome to New Smyrna Beach Bash 2025!
I'm trying to get quick to this thing. Real hustle out.
The struggle, got it off the muscle. Wanted Gucci on my buckles. I stay with some images.
I ain't airing nor having real deep. Break around my neck for money.
Welcome to Beach Bash 2025! Yes!
Take out his paperwork. He can't be all the way out.
Staring in my head, shitting on his phone. I love to make a man.
Thanks for watching Beach Bash at New Smyrna Speedway.
My baby daddy, I'm getting outside, I ain't in the house staying.
17 bag GMC, 17 bag GMC.
You were awesome today. Can we get your social so we can follow you?
Oh yeah, of course. My social media is @CloutKiki and then cloutxxx.com.
Awesome.
98.
All right, we'll follow you. Thank you.
I got to really thank y'all there, though.
Who's gonna buy me new boots?
Yeah, you're gonna need.
These ones can't get that muddy.
No, you're gonna need some mudding boots. Trust
Who's
me.
gonna buy me some muddy boots?
We might be able to hook you up.
Nigga, I fuck with, gon' run his mouth and bread. Go,
Well, boss man says it. I mean, I guess this goes.
And we love Rob. Thank you, Rob. But a special shot goes.
1, 2, 3.
Smoking cigarettes on American.
Exhaust delete it.
Long then chain swinging, we don't see eye to eye. Big tool on my hip. Motherfucking Twisted Tea at? Who got the motherfucking Twisted Tea?
super fan.
Like a star, nigga. On the floor, you can tell. I need everybody hands up right now.
love boats.
We have a
I
boat
used to have a
bash
boat.
May 24th.
Not a big boat, but I used to own a skiff myself.
Well, don't say that about playing B-Fab.
That's a good time. It's a party.
Welcome to Meat Bash 2025.
Just like my catfish niggas be Christian. We find by the wood, double cup what I'm missing. My partners got iron, them young niggas so
Truck went off and Rob went off. Fast forward, hell yes, sir. Did you get some sun since the last time we saw you? You look tan.
I have a self-tanner on.
Another hour later.
Thank you for watching Beach Bash 2025!
That's perfect. Y'all have fun?
Yes! It was a great time! Okay.
All right, are you guys going to Razzles later? Or?
Yes, going to Razzles!
We'll see you there.
Okay, bye!
Adios, ladies. Thank you.
Hey, we gotta give it up for TTP. Give it up for TTP as a sponsor.
Absolutely.
That's big time.
First off, you better remember what that sign say before you come down here in this bitch.
surprised you didn't ride 2 bikes in.
Yeah, no, I was planning on it.
Friends are lame, so I'm about to fuck your brains out. You can say my name, go ahead and let it ring out.
Nigga, my clip 101, nigga. Coming straight out for a nigga with that money.
So ladies, we do have our 4. We do have our 4.
Like I'm in the UFC, my chopper got him out of his zone. So if it's short, it ain't on me. I stay out
Make it up for a lead.
This is the final round. This is the final round.
Check that shit.
Cosa diferente resaltando en el ambiente porque mucho me he esforzado. Sé que hay niveles pero todos los quebramos.
Follow me on my motorcycle page where I build everything in a bikini.
I did, inadvertently, I did. house in Orlando.
I know every host says we're ready to get this started, but today, are you ready to see some